Have you ever wondered what data science is? Is it a complex algorithm that's beyond understanding, or simply a buzzword that's been bouncing around in the tech world? Well, it's time to demystify that today. Imagine being an explorer in a new land, with mountains of information all around you. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to make sense of it all. This, in essence, is data science. It's about taking raw, unstructured data and turning it into something meaningful, something that can provide insights and drive decision-making. At its core, data science is a multidisciplinary field that utilizes scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract insights and knowledge from structured and unstructured data. It's a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles designed to uncover hidden patterns from raw data. Now, imagine a detective at a crime scene trying to piece together what happened based on the evidence left behind. A data scientist does something similar, but instead of physical evidence, they deal with data. They sift through the data, analyze it, and interpret it to draw conclusions. Think of data science as a bridge. On one side, you have vast quantities of data, and on the other, you have meaningful insights. The data scientist is the architect, the builder, and the caretaker of this bridge. They use tools and techniques from mathematics, statistics, computer science, and information science to cross this bridge, transforming raw data into valuable insights. In a nutshell, data science is about finding answers. It's about uncovering the story that the data is trying to tell. It's about turning information into action and using that action to drive change and innovation. To summarize, data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract insights from data. It's about turning raw, unstructured data into something meaningful that can drive decision-making. It's a bridge between data and insights, and the data scientist is the architect, builder, and caretaker of this bridge. So, the next time you hear the term data science, don't think of it as a complex algorithm or a tech buzzword. Instead, picture an explorer in a new land, a detective at a crime scene, or an architect building a bridge. Because at its heart, that's what data science is all about. Exploring, uncovering, and building.